Hello everybody, welcome to the class of today. Today we're going to learn how to make opposites with frequently adverbs. Let's start with never and always, okay? Here we have these two frequently adverbs are opposite. So here we have in these sentences we have he always says the truth. We're expressing something that he does. He never lies. It's the opposite of this sentence. You notice we are here contrasting the frequently adverb always and never. Let's continue with the other one. Almost always and almost never. We almost always eat veggies. You know what veggies are, right? Veggies is a word that expresses something related to vegetables, okay? We almost never eat meat. If you notice, we are using almost always and then we are using almost never. The last one, frequently or often and seldom and rarely. I frequently go out on weekends. We rarely stay home. Here I'm using frequently, but I can use often. And here I'm using rarely, but I can use seldom. With this, we are contrasting or making opposite with frequently adverbs. Okay? Thank you for being here today. See you in the next class. Goodbye.